I want to introduce you to our Forex Ideas channel here. This is separate to the Telegram signals that are specifically for the trade copier, the auto trade copy. These are Forex ideas that you guys can use to trade manually. And I know we have quite a few members who are trading prop firm accounts. This is especially for you. So what I will do with this is post these ideas in here, take a snapshot, for example. I'm just having a look. These are yesterday's. I'm just going through and having a look at a couple now. In fact, if we go down, got a couple that have played out. Well, this is a Swissy yen. Just go back to it. So this was the Swissy yen idea. And look, it's trending. We're looking for the pullback into the imbalance. And all you need to do is set up your alerts for this trade. That's it. It's so simple. Let me show you. Okay, the Swissy yen outcome. This is it here. Okay, this is a 5-minute chart. This was the idea. We're looking for this rotation. And these signals that we have are very specific. They're not meant to be, traded willy-nilly. These are not just buy and sell signals. These will get you into the trade. Like, you have to have a plan and an idea. And the plan in this case is the rotation bullish. You need 3 signals to come together. You need this up triangle, you need this up label, and you need to see this green shaded thing trading price. That's it. All I do is I set this alert to go off. And when I come into the chart, if we've got the triangle, the green shade, well, that alert would have gone off. Then we take the trade. Simple as that. Really, really simple. Pass your prop firm challenge, get funded. Honestly, guys, this is definitely the key to successful prop trading. These are going to be all your trades. And it's a very, very simple process to follow the signal. This one here was the EuroCAD. Okay, that was the EuroCAD idea, looking for that pullback. Okay, here it is. Look, let me just explain this. We're looking for this bullish momentum here. Now, we got signals here, but there's no trade. No, we don't take it. Why? Because we don't have, see this green shaded zone here? We have to have that. Right, so we've got all these green signals firing, but we don't have the green shaded zone. So this is no go. We have the red signal, right? So the green signal, that's the first one that fires. We need to see that and that in close proximity. And then you have to be within this green shaded zone that's following price. Then we take that trade. That's your exit signal. This is scalping. So this would have been a short here. We've actually got 2 red signals. You can't see the other one, but the little red down triangle is behind that. And you're in the red shaded zone. Take it short. It fired again. See the little red down triangle? You want that. You want the label signal, and then you want to be in the red zone here. Take it. There it was again. The down triangle, this thing, and the red zone. So again, all I'm doing is setting alerts for that. And when it fires, I come into the chart. Do I see this and that? If so, take the trade. Simple. Guys, this couldn't be simpler. Seriously. I am doing daily mentorship videos on this, and I'm placing ideas in here. I've got a couple in here. Where are they? There you go. Look, there's a Aussie dollar has traded into a bullish order block. Obviously we're going to be looking for that to rotate. But I really like these ones here where it's trending, and all we're doing is just waiting for it to pull back and rotate. It's a simple matter of going into here and setting one alert. That's it. So whenever I send a signal into the ideas, come into here, into TradingView. Now here's the thing. This account that I'm trading here in TradingView is actually a Pepperstone C Trader account. This is the master account that I've got set up to copy over to prop firms. I'll show you that in a sec. But the alert you set up is this one, volume aligned trend signals, that one. All right, 3 of them have to come together, and then we've got a trade. If they don't come together, then we don't have a trade. So we just go to 3 dots, add alert. It's as simple as that, and just use this. And you can select it specific to the idea that I post in the channel there, in the ideas to trade ideas channel. Okay, this is actually, I haven't connected to it, but I have a Pepperstone C Trader account, and I'm trading these on TradingView. This is the master account in a program called Duplikium, my preferred trade copier. I'll show you that. Duplikium, you can set up your master account. Pepperstone C Trader is pretty good. I know Black Bull have a C Trader, but that's complicated. You've got to map all the symbols and what have you. But yeah, this one seems to work really well, Pepperstone, and you can trade that directly in TradingView. And then I've got, in this trade copier platform, I've got 5 accounts here set up. I have another trade copier platform with a bunch of accounts that are running, but Duplikium really is the cream of the crop, guys. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. This is so reliable, rock solid, and they have fantastic support. So you could set up your multiple accounts on Duplikium and really take advantage of these signals and the daily mentorship videos. Look, down here, the mentorship channel, scalping strategy in depth. This is me trading the Asian session today, and I'm talking you through every trade in real time. And these are the trades going onto my Telegram for the trade copy. So it's an in-depth, as I'm taking the trades, I'm sharing with you my thought process, why I'm taking the trade, what to look for, how to set it all up. Okay, this is the best mentorship, refining our scalping strategy, trading a flat session, everything. We cover everything. We go over our previous trades. Okay, we see where we could have improved, and it's all covered in here. All right, and then, of course, you've got the Telegram signals as well. So look, this is an invite, guys, to honestly join us on this journey. This is such an opportunity. I've simplified this. It's a 5-minute chart. I'm offering 14 days completely free, 0 risk. Just check it out and see what's possible. And I would spend the 14 days getting into the strategy. Ask me questions. I'll help you with anything you need. Setting up in TradingView with Pepperstone, C Trader. You're connecting to Duplikium, all that kind of thing. And I've got a list of prop firms that are compatible for Aussies and international. In fact, have a quick look at that. So that's 14 days completely free, and then it's only, look guys, while I'm launching this strategy, it's only we're in our 3rd week. It's fairly new. We're having great success with it. Here's my preferred prop firm, international, Go Focus funded. You get 10% off, and for Aussies, because this is not suitable for Australians, just shoot me a DM and I'll send you my list of prop firms. They have to be compatible with Duplikium. The prop firm has to allow copying from a personal C Trader MT4 account over to the funded account or the challenge or whatever. All right, it all has to be compatible. And I have the list of prop firms. I've got everything there. All right, guys. So with that, hope you have a fantastic day. Snap this up and find out what's possible. Honestly, join the party, and I'll see you in the next one.